Hey our friends, today we're going to draw Peter Rabbit.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're also using our marker paper because we're drawing with markers, and that helps keep our markers lasting longer. If you draw with regular printer paper and these alcohol-based markers, it soaks up the marker really quick and they dry out fast.
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing Peter Rabbit's mouth and nose. We're going to draw the letter Y right in the middle of our paper. So first I'm going to draw the letter V and then a line down. Now let's draw his left eye and his right eye. Draw the same size circle on the other side. And then we can draw a smaller circle in the top left for the highlight, and then color in the big circle and leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the top of his head. We're going to draw an upside down U shape right next to each of his eyes. We'll start there and end over here. And then we can draw the cheek over here on this side, and then we'll curve over and another cheek and connect in.
Oh, that one's got a big cheek.
I like it. Maybe he's looking off to the side, so that cheek's sticking out a little more. It's perfect. Okay, there's no mistakes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the ears. We're going to draw a curve coming up and a curve coming up this way. Then at the very top, we're going to turn this into a curve coming back down. And the same over here, curve coming down. Now we're going to draw the side of the ear. We'll start at the top and then we can curve out and down. And then we can do the same thing over here for the other ear. Nice. Now we could also add little whiskers too. I'm going to draw 3 lines on the left cheek and 3 lines on the right cheek. There's Peter Rabbit's head and ears. Now let's draw his body. We're going to start here on his chin. We're going to draw a curve, comes around, and then we're going to come back, and then almost like we're going to connect. Oh, it kind of looks like the letter G.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw his other arm to match a backwards G. Perfect.
His arm kind of comes out a little further too.
Now, if you want, you could draw Peter Rabbit without his jacket and shoes because he lost them.
Yeah.
But let's draw him with his jacket. So we're going to draw a line for the end of each sleeve. And then we're going to draw the jacket open. So we're going to draw 2 short lines here. Then we're going to draw the jacket coming down. We're going to imagine this line going behind the arm and extending out past the arm below it on each side. Yeah, and then we can draw the bottom of the jacket coming out and then connect back into the arm. And the same over here. Now let's draw Peter Rabbit's body. We're going to draw the letter U coming around and over to the other side of the jacket. And then we could draw his little shoes sticking out of the bottom. We did it. We finished drawing Peter Rabbit, except we're not completely done.
Still need to color him.
Yes, this part we're going to speed up. So remember to pause the video at the end and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring Peter Rabbit, and he turned out so cool, all colored in.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yep, I had so much fun.
I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. You can pause the video now to match your same coloring, or you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You don't have to use markers. You can use crayons, colored pencils.
Or even oil pastels.
Yeah, you could also draw a background. You could draw a garden.
Or Mr. McGregor.
Oh yeah, chasing him.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Peter Rabbit.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.